Hello, my name is Elliot Mafounda. For those of you who don't know me, I have been an energy advisor in the solar industry for years. So many, in fact, that some calls me Dr. Solar or Mr. Solar or even Rabbi Solar, regardless. Hello, it is good to meet you today. I am a top solar advisor, and indeed, that is the name of my company. As you hear it, Top Solar Advisor. And it is my pleasure to be working for you through the Energy Advisor Hub. With this hub technology, I can find you the best solution easily with your help by bringing your multiple competitive quotes from only the top-rated solar installer who are in your local area. And I will help you with the side-by-side comparisons. The hub is the only company who can today do this type of true and honest breakdown. And I am here to help you. And if you speak Hebrew and you are more comfortable with us in that language, listen, I am even more happy to be your top solar advisor. Now, what we would really like to do is to have a cup of coffee with you so we can chat a bit about your experience and ideas in solar for your home and your business. The next step is to select me, and then we can have a short call together and then figure out the best time for us to meet. Thank you very much, and until then, I hope to see you very soon.